Hello, good afternoon. My name is Madiha Filo. I'm a staff here at the Seychelles Pavilion. We are here at the Expo 2020 in Dubai to showcase Seychelles not just as a tourism destination, but as a blue economy champion in the Indian Ocean, African region, and why not the world. So the blue economy strategy essentially tells us how to do our economic activities in the most sustainable way possible. So there is a fair balance between conservation and economic activities. We have launched our aquaculture sector to support the fisheries sector, which is under pressure currently. So the aquaculture sector will ensure the sustainability of our fish stocks while opening up new markets for our local and wild, caught and farmed fish. Also, we are starting research into new possible sectors such as biotechnology, as we have a lot of marine resources that can be turned into value-added products. So that this is something that the Seychelles is focusing on right now. And of course, we have tourism, which is our main pillar of the economy and will always be our main bread and butter. We are very proud. 115 islands, tropical islands. We have sun 365 days a year. So we are very proud of our islands. We have the coco de mer, which is endangered and an endangered species found only in the Seychelles. We have the Aldabra, largest atoll in the world, found in the Seychelles. And we are very proud to showcase our islands to the people and show them not just sun, sea, and sand, but a true experience so that they can come back and enjoy our islands.